how how to make apple juice two easy ways. Apple juice is one of the best ways to use extra apples before they go bad, and also is a delicious beverage to serve to guests or just to keep on hand for yourself. Apple juicing can seem like an intimidating process, but don't worry, this post has used the supplies you shall need, recipes for making juice with or without a juicer, and way to store juice. The best apples for apple juice. Nice. Here's the first step to make apple juice is choosing your apples. Almost any apple will work for homemade juice. However, different varieties will lead to a different taste. In the end, there are three main types of apple juice: sweet, tart, and balanced. Many are considered about homemade apple juice losing its color and turning brown. Don't let that stop you make from making delicious homemade apple juice. Tartar fruits usually have higher acid content. That means they won't oxidize as quick and will keep a natural light solar color for a long time. However, sweet juice doesn't have to be brown. Add a bit of citric acid, lemon juice, or a crushed vitamin C tablet, and the apple juice will keep its color. You can check out this science experiment to discover why. Here's the best apple for sweet juice. Red delicious apples will make a sweet juice with a classic apple flavor. Golden delicious apples will yield a mellow juice with notes of melon and vanilla. Here's the best apple for tart juice. Granny Smith has high juice content and wonderful sour flavor. Sweet Tango will produce a tangy juice that leaves a sweet flavor in your mouth after a slow start. Pink Lady will make a refreshing and bright tart apple juice. The best apple for balanced juice. Gala apples, Henkel Sips, Bribron. And why make juice from scotch? What is scotch? Here's the homemade apple juice is delicious and natural.